Okay. Hi, good evening. So this is how to go about running the app the for your scanning. So after you download the app, then just open the app fast scanner. So open the app. Your data, you have to on your data when using the app. Like for a start, your data has to be on whenever you want to use like for the setup, because it will bring up some particular option whereby you just need data to access it. Then I use don't remind me. So that's it. Then we have the normal app interface, right? As you can see, we have a fast scanner at the header. So click on, you can just navigate through the app. We have the document option, we have the trash, the setting, and the whole stuff. Okay, now the main purpose of using the app is scanning, right? Like converting our images to probably any file or anything. So click on the three dots by we have a three dots by the left, we have by the right. So here, according to the placement of your phone, you click on the three dots by the right. On the three dots by the right. Then we have import from gallery, we have new folder, we have edit and share, we have the arrangement as well. So here we want to scan image from gallery. So we have import from gallery. I mean you want to create a file, you want to create a folder, right? Like create a folder. Now you should know what folder means. You want to you want to create a folder. That's where you create a folder and then you do all your work inside that particular new folder you created. Well, assuming you want to take it as normal image, that's when you make use of this camera option that shows at the bottom right of your screen, the right bottom of your screen. Here. But here we are dealing with the one in gallery. So click on this and then import from gallery. And you locate your device gallery. You locate your device gallery and you select whatsoever you want to select whatsoever image you want to select. If you do not have it here, at least you should be able to now to navigate whereby you click on the image and locate the particular image you want to work on. Okay, let's use this as an example now. Right. You can make it one than one though. Okay, it's okay. Let me just compile like more than one. Import from gallery. Then I have it. Just pin it, like click on the exact one you want to use. Okay, I should be selecting. Okay, 5 is okay for here. Then I click on select. Depend on your phone setting, then it will load the image. After loading the image, you have this particular screen. Just crop the particular part you want to work on. So here I'm working on the full screen, so that's why I crop it to be full. Then you have a mark option at the top right. So click on that right. That means you're already done copying the first part. You do the same thing to the second part as well, the second image, right? Just do the normal cropping, and if you have any area you want to crop out, you crop it out. This. Then same thing applies here too. The last part. Okay. And yeah, that's it. Then the same process apply to the next one. If you have any area you want to crop out, you crop it out. Any area you want to crop in, you do the same thing as well. Yeah, then same process. So that's it. Now the main work here is how do we want the document to come out? How do we want the document to come out? So if we want document to come out here, like in which color, which font do you want to give it? As you can see from the bottom end of your screen, we have the photo, we have the magic, we have the black and white, we have the color too, we have the gray, we have the black and white, then we have the color as well. So how do you want it to come out? Currently now is in black and white. So from the black and white, we have varieties of black. So we have the thick black here. If you process, anyone you click on, anyone you click on it will process, so it depends on the one you use. Then if you want the main white, so as you can see, so but here then the magic option as well, you have the magic option, so it depends on anyone you select. But currently now we'll be making use of photo. We want it to come out as a plain photo, so here we have it as normal photo. So remember, any color with anyone we select, we have for one, we automatically work for the rest too. So we have the photo for one, then it process, allow it to processing image. This adds pop up because I on data, I have my data on. I mean I have it off now, the ads will not pop up. Okay. Just find my means and stop the ads. Okay, close. Yeah. Now we have it now as a new document. So now if I want to, what I want to do, if I want to share, save, or that want to save to gallery, or that want to save to storage, that want to print. Okay, now I wanted to have it saved, so I have to just print it. Click on print. Okay. Should not make use of that option. Okay, let's make it of the share option. Share to share email to myself. That I want to mail myself, or I want to share. How do I want to share it? So which sharing option that I want to use? Okay, the export type, PDF or as normal image, JPEG. So now I'll be using PDF. That for the PDF, if I want to add password to the PDF, if I want to have that password, then that's where I click on the set password option. Then which file size, I advise to go for the medium, which is already there. Then export to where do I want to export it to, where am I sharing it to, so just select it. So I'm exporting it as print, which is the PDF option too. So now I have it as PDF, right? I have it as PDF. These are the stuff I scanned, so I have it as PDF here. So just save it and then allow it to save on my device. Then which name did I want? What did I want to name it? Okay. Okay, let me just use sample.pdf. Yeah. Then I click on save. So basically I have it saved on my device. So that's how to go about it. Just go to your file manager and look out for it. Confidential any file you want to share. That's how to go about the editing and the scanning of app, the scanning of any of your images or any of your projects, anything.